let's move to the second part for the 6.1. Drawing some shapes with this patches module, we create our animated figure. So in short, it's like this one. So first starting our small circle, then you can see the animation is that this circle is gradually getting bigger and bigger. So that part is the more exciting thing. Is until now is all of our figures or charts are just static. So if we can create some moving shape, then it's going to give more visualization effects. So in the next the sub-chapter, we will draw our projectile's trajectory, make that as a real the dropping object or the throw object as an animation. To be as the preparation, we will learn from this video about this funk animation object and know how we can use that to create animation. Then we just make this basic the animation which we did last video for the circle. So let's copy the first program and starting from that to do the modification. So here is the animated create animated figure. So that's the tool. So what we will do is our growing. Create one growing circle. So from that is our PLT is still needed, and we will start to use our new is here. So import from matplotlib, import this animation. You may see the different way. So we can use our original way, import this matplotlib dot py plot. Then that's using this dot is come to this module. Then we call that PLT with alias. Or we can use from the library import module as a PLT. So these two ways are same. And then this we still reuse our circle. So this circle. And starting from this 0, and the radius now is we are making that in small. So we keep this from this the face color and the edge color no change. So and then this it will return circle. So it will have our colorful circle. And then this what we will have is we should have our second part is if you create our animation, you need to update every frame. So the update is we will not move the circle's location or the position. Is we just update the radius, making that bigger and bigger. So that is our change part. So we send our I is the frame number and the circle as this object. So what we will do is circle dot radius. These are the changing part will be the I times 0.5. So when the I is the first, the 1, then that is the 0.5. I come to 2, then that's the will be the 1, and the 3 will be 1.5. So if I finally is go to, we will see frame is go to 30, then our circle will be the 15 in the radius. So that is our the circle's change. Then we again return our circle. So because we update a circle, then our this the primary code is we will load only in this create animation. And then we will put this show inside this animation. So let's create that. It's create animation. And using this, so we will call that. So create animation doesn't have any the argument we need. So if we do that, is now you can see you just let's see the patch. So we create this. If we have the patch here, we don't change anything else. We also missing so patch. So this is a circle. So if we call that, then we should get our circle back. So, but now is we just transfer empty there. So we will use our circle object inside. So first is we make the PLT GCF is our frame. So if I make those just comments, then we have our frame. So there's nothing come back. So now we have our access. So AX is a PLT dot X. That is similar to this GCA. So now we use this is we give the limitation. So X limit is from the -10 to +10. And the Y limit is from -10 to +10. So let's run this. So it's also nothing happened. So let's put the show. So you can see here now it's from the -10 to +10 both. Now, so our origin 0, 0 is in the center of this frame. So let's see, we will set this equal so that we can use still. And then we create a circle. So here we create, so circle is create circle. So let's run now. So there's nothing, but it's already the equal, so it's put. So let's also put our title, simple circle animation. So we have this one once we add that. So we add circle. Then you can see here it's at 0.05. So that is our initial circle. So we add this one. So now we have our first circle. And the next is we don't need this scale, but we should have this animation defined. That is the key parts for this program. So we use these animation modules. They have a function animation. So they have some, let's use this way, so one by one. So first we transfer the figure. If you watch some of my other videos, I would like to suggest this way. If you have quite a long, the parameters or arguments need to put into one function is, and it will be wrap text in the end of this line. It's better is you put every arguments in separate line. That will be easier for you to put. So figure, then this we second is this radius is our function. So and then this we have the frame arguments. So our update radius need 2 arguments, but this I will be automatically sent. So we only need to send circle object there, and with our I think it's with our dot comma, and then frame we set is 30, and the interval is 50. F arcs. So do we need this one? F arcs, ARGS. Oh, here is equal. But why here is a comma? So let's delete that and make a run. is not changed. So is this due to this comma? It's actually yes. So when they come to those, then they just repeat on this 33. This 30 frame. So let's see. So if I don't want that to repeat, so I think it's, we have another repeat equal false. Should be capital F. Then let's see. I just wanted to have a 1, then stop. Okay, that's a stop. And if I don't make that too big, so I think it's, we can make that just a 10, so it's not go beyond our frame. Yeah, you can see here. So, and if you don't make that true, so by default it's true. So it will just make this 1 by 1, so repeatedly. So that is the some arguments. I would like that you can read from this animated function. So let's just search on this, and I can put that here. So this is the arguments of, let me put this into our lib. So you can just read from here to see all the functions. So I also have some more function, more arguments, like it's a repeat, go to true or false. Then you can control this showing. And if I come back to here, so if I go to this 20 and I interval, let's see, the interval is 100. So then that will be getting slower. You can feel that is slower. And if I put that the 500, slower 5 times, then now you can have some more. The understanding is on these arguments, the effects. So by default we have 50, and we have 30, and we repeat that. But there's more the arguments. You can see that like it's a repeat delay between the conservative animation runs. So every time you can also let this wait sometimes. And another part is in the book, they explain such kind of the arguments you can read from here. But it's also our interesting part or notice is why we assign our function load the call to this ANIM, the variable. But you can see that we don't actually use this variable in anywhere of our program. That is, I also, like is mentioned by the author, is I put this link here. And if you can check is, I think is you can, if you click here, you can go to this issue page. So that is animation object persistence issue. So the current understanding is this animation object is the deleted or removed by Python's garbage collection mechanism automatically. So because it's not explicitly defined. So using this tricky way, so we define this to a variable, then this animation objects will have our the pointer of the store in the memory. Then the Python's garbage collection mechanism doesn't remove that. If you don't assign this to our variable, your animation will not be displayed. So you can read this discussion if you want. So, but again, it's for our current program. What we have achieved is we learned this new function through this animation module. Then with this function, you have multiple the arguments can control our animation, and using that is we can draw our shape and find some changing parts of this shape, and we then do the the animations can be shown in the screen. Okay, so hope you get this practice on your own as well. So next video we will use this new learned the create animation function to do the this projectiles trajectory, the shape drawing. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.